Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to touch one more part of speech named as pronoun. Pronoun is generally used to displace nouns. Well, before going on in detail about pronoun, let me tell you why did the grammarians try to make search for it. What was the utility of this particular kind of part of speech? Actually, the grammarians definitely might have thought of stopping the repetition of the same word several times. That's why they might have discovered or formed this particular kind named as pronoun. Well, as I have already taught you, it is used in the paragraph or in the speech just to avoid the repetition of the same word as noun. So pronouns can be defined as the words which are used in place of nouns or to avoid the repetition of the same word as noun while expressing views in the form of paragraph or in the form of his own formed speech. Well, these pronouns were formed. Well, I can explain you the same thing with the help of one small paragraph. As Reena is celebrating Reena's 9th birthday today. Reena has invited all Reena's friends to the party. Reena has prepared an interesting menu for Reena's friends. So, my dear students, in this short paragraph, you see that the name Reena has been used repeatedly several times, but actually it causes a kind of awkwardness in speaking or delivering the speech. So just to avoid the repetition of the same word Reena again and again, definitely the grammarians might have used another part of speech. We call it pronoun. Well, this short paragraph can be spoken with the use of pronouns according to the gender. Let's see how can we speak the same paragraph with pronouns. Reena is celebrating her 9th birthday today. Well, to introduce the subject, we will have to use the subject or the word, the doer, with his or her name in the beginning. Then just after that, there is no need to repeat the name of the doer or name of the subject again and again, and we can use pronouns accordingly. Okay, so this actually now I read the complete short paragraph. Reena is celebrating her 9th birthday today. She has invited all her friends to the party. She has prepared an interesting menu for her friends. So, my dear students, definitely you might have understood what is the use of pronoun in forming or speaking, delivering his or her own speech. Well, the pronoun can be categorized, or it has 8 different kinds, like personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, distributive, reciprocal, reflexive or emphatic, and indefinite pronouns. Well, to understand all these separately, we will have to go through in detail. So first of all, I would like to describe a few of them. First, I take personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. I have already discussed this thing. Well, if we know the meaning, or if we try to know the meaning of the particular word, I think half of the thing seems to be cleared. Okay, as personal, person, personal formed by person. It means that it is used for persons. Personal pronouns are the pronouns used for persons, denoting persons, things, or animals, etc. Well, personal pronouns are I, we, you, they, she, it, etc. These are the examples of personal pronouns. Okay, we can also think about it in the form of sentences. For example, I can do it. You have to work hard. Okay, so these personal pronouns are clear to you. Next, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative. The word interrogative forms from interrogate. Interrogate means to inquire or to ask something about. So interrogative pronouns actually begins with the interrogative words, like the words from WH family: who, what, where, when, okay, whose, whom, etc. Well, these interrogative pronouns actually are the words as I just discussed, and the sentences which are formed from these interrogative words actually have question mark in the end. We can identify interrogative sentences with the mark used in the end of the sentence. In the same manner, in personal pronouns, or the sentences beginning with the personal pronouns have full stop in the end of it. Next, a relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, you might have heard the word relative, generally used in the families. My relative is about to fall. Relative means that relates someone from someone. So, or the others. So, relative pronouns are actually also the words from WH family used to relate some person with the thing or with the happenings. Like we can say that I know the boy who met me yesterday. In this sentence, I know the boy. The boy is noun, and whom I met yesterday. Well, whom is the word that actually is being used in the sentence to form to show relation. Okay, with the boy, or it is actually in one with the antecedent or the use before the beginning of the clause, and the clause actually has begun, okay, with the interrogative word, with the relative pronoun named as who. So, while it is clear, now next, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative means the thing that has been shown or displayed. Demonstration means the exhibition of or displaying of anything, called demonstration. So while demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns used to demonstrate or to point at, okay, to focus at the thing or to indicate a thing, are all demonstrative pronouns. And these words can be this, that, these, those. Well, the word this is used for a thing close by and a singular one. In the same manner that for a thing at some distance, okay, and in a singular way. In the same manner, these for closeness, those for far off, for the remote places or remote things, okay. In plural, we can understand the demonstrative pronouns with the help of examples. For example, this is my pen, and that is yours. These are, showing closeness, these are my books, and those were yours. So demonstrative is clear. Now we will talk about the remaining in the next episode, about distributive, reflexive, and indefinite in the next episodes. So till then, keep safe. Thank you. Good day.